Hey, this is Gib coming at you from Ripping the RC Live. I've got my new little SCX24. It's an axial. I'm going to give it a little bit of hill climb here. It's muddy everywhere, pretty much. It's been raining all week, but we're going to give it a little try here. Try this one-handed business here. See how this goes. Got a little slide there. It's a pretty good hill. I think we might be, yeah, we were hung up there. Whoa, 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 we got tumble. It's pretty wet out here. Like I said, it's been raining. It's pretty wet out here. Oh, wow. It is pretty wet out here. It's been raining all week, so we got some slippage here. But we are making a little bit of progress here. Maybe if I could make a line here. And like I said, no real crawling experience on my part. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of this one. There we go. We found something. We found something. There we go. Making its way up there. Let's see if we can come back down without tumbling. It does have all right. Oh, we got a tumble there. That's the one thing that I always thought would be, wondering if it would be kind of cool, because you can come out here, if you see where I'm at, you can play with these things anywhere. I'm in the Hillside at the Home Depot parking lot. You don't need much room for these. She is performing. Yeah. You find her some nice lines, and there she goes. Uh-oh. All right. I think I'm gonna like this. Like, this is my first crawler. As you could probably tell. Ooh, look at that. Put it on its wheels, tires, whatever. Don't want to get in trouble with the RC police. See if we can get it back down. Oh, didn't make it. It's pretty neat how they can right themselves. Whoa! A little tumble-wumble almost for me. We're on a pretty good climb here. Oh, oh, oh. Tumble wumble. This thing's got 2 speeds. Of course, I'm not familiar on how to use them just yet. I mean, I guess if I popped it into low or medium, might have some luck, but you're not gonna have any luck like that. Yeah. But yeah, I came to Home Depot to pick up some goods, and I knew I had this in the car, and I saw the hill, and I said, well, I just got to try it. I'm guessing we'd have some better luck if it wasn't so wet. But hey, the little trucks made it up and down a couple of times. So here's a deadbolt SCX24, no mods, bad driver, so give it a break. And it's getting up there. Take it easy on the pedal. I'm learning. There we go. Look at that. Oh no, the fast way down. I wasn't sure if I'd like this, but I've been messing around with it at home. There'll be some footage of that with some logs, and I was pretty amazed at what it could do over those logs. It, you know, pulls itself over pretty handily. I've got a lot of wood back there at my home because I'm a smoker. I love smoking meat. I've got a lot of wood at home at my house because I'm a smoker, and I love smoking meat. Yeah, I'm sure everybody's got a joke for that one, right? But let's try not to roll it. Coming down. Yeah, so just a little run time for the SCX24 here on the Hillside by the Home Depot.